Aloha! Welcome to week 4, friends. So I want to go over the due dates and a few lesson things in particular. So here we go. Lesson 7 is due by Wednesday. You have the Chapter 4 quiz. You need to submit your resume, and also you need to post the initial discussion board post. Then for Lesson 8, it's due on Saturday. You have the Chapter 12 reading quiz, reading and quiz. You need to attend a mock interview and take the mock interview quiz. Basically, the quiz just asks you if you attended the interview. Remember in week 1 we scheduled that, so if you haven't scheduled, you need to call them up and try to get it done by Saturday. But they only do meetings through Friday, so you have just a few more days. You have a reading quiz, and then you have the discussion board post responses and the self-assessment quiz. All right, I want to go a little bit more in depth. Alright, so I would like to go over this discussion board, the major and career plan ideas, and just talk a little bit about it. So for this discussion board, you need to create a PowerPoint presentation with these things. You need to list your name, future job description and duties, required education that it will take to get that future job, how your education, like how does your bachelor's degree fit into your 4-year plan, a personal picture. You need to say why you're majoring in psychology. If you're not majoring in psychology, that's fine. Just say, I'm majoring in business, or I'm majoring in whatever, and explain why you're majoring in that. And then how do your reasons compare with those listed in Chapter 13? It's okay if you don't pick a psychology-related career. No problem. Just have each of one of these sections and talk about it. So you could want to be a HR manager, right? And that requires either a bachelor's degree or you can go on to get a master's. So talk about that and talk about your major and all those things. After you create a PowerPoint presentation, you need to have the software from Screencast-O-Matic downloaded on your computer, and you need to make a PowerPoint presentation. You need to record yourself talking over the presentation and recording your screen. Just like the video that I'm making for you right now, I'm recording my screen, I'm showing you what is on there, and I'm talking so you can hear it. It's like I'm giving you a presentation. That's what you're doing for your class. You're making a PowerPoint and then you're recording yourself talking over it. Hopefully 5 minutes or less. I have some videos here about Screencast-O-Matic, how to embed a video. It's really easy to embed a video, so watch this. It doesn't take very long to watch, and it should make it easy for you to be able to embed the video that makes it easier for your classmates to see. That's due on Wednesday, so you should start today because it does take a little bit with the technology. Your resume is due, and then we will be turning it in again after I give you some feedback. You'll be turning it in again at the end of the semester. So be sure to take the feedback and make the changes that I suggest, and then turn it back in again. That's it. Have a great week.